I want to be clear though, even with the best product on the market, on your boat, properly applied, you are going to need some bottom cleaning on a regular basis. And depending where you dock your boat and all the unique micro environmental factors of where you keep your boat, how often you run your boat, how fast you run your boat on a regular basis, you're going to need professional in-water bottom cleaning. It might be once a month. In some places, it might be once a week, especially in the summer. The most optimal conditions where you've applied the best bottom paint with the best surface preparation, you're going to need bottom cleaning services. And for some of our customers, we provide that. Some of our brands, we provide that at no cost for the first 2 years, subject for another video. The single best bottom paint performance is use BioCop TF and have your captain or your broker or another trusted representative or yourself be all over the surface preparation process that's done by the service technicians, the application process that's done by the service technicians, to make sure that that extremely expensive bottom paint and that extremely expensive labor to apply it gives you the best possible outcome. And then you'll have to determine how often your bottom needs to be professionally cleaned based on how often you run your boat, how fast, your micro environment where you keep your boat, etc.